Hello friends, today we are see about nutritional fact of muskmelon. The numerous health benefits of the sweet melon can be attributed to its rich natural content that is necessary for healthy body functioning. 100 grams of muskmelon contains calories, dairy fiber, fat, protein, carbohydrates. Healthy digestive system. Muskmelon has high fiber and water content which make it is a great natural healer for people suffering from indigestion, constipation and other digestive system issues. The fiber content in this fruit helps in regulating proper bowel movements with a calming and cool effect on the stomach. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and keep hunger pangs to bay. Furthermore, the high content of vitamin C mineral in this help is treating stomach ulcer. Helps in regulating blood pressure. People suffering from high blood pressure are recommended to add muskmelon to their diet, and its potassium-rich fruits helps in relaxing the blood vessels, aiding smooth in flow of blood. Potassium acts as a vasodilator that keeps your blood pressure in check and ensures that it doesn't elevate. Boosting your immunity. Muskmelon is rich in vitamin C content, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help in boosting your immunity. Apart from having high vitamin C concentration, it is also contain phytochemicals, beta-carotene and vitamin A that helps in keeping your gut healthy. Your gut healthy is directly associated with your immune system. The good bacteria is your gut help with the proper functioning of the body. Moreover, vitamin C helps in stimulating the production of protective white blood cells that help destroy numerous dangerous microorganisms, virus, bacteria and other toxins that could invade our body and spread disease. It may help comfort stress. We live in a world where your lifestyles have become heretic, but eating certain fruits can have a stress relieving impact on your mind as well. Muskmelon, being rich in potassium, is considered as a stress relieving food that can help you feel more focused and relaxed. Potassium in this fruit can help normalize the heartbeat and promote supply of oxygen to the brain. This helps your brain to calm down and focus. Beneficial for lungs. Regular intake of muskmelon replenishes your body with vitamin A. Over time, the vitamin A content in your body depletes due to several factors, which include smoking, pollution, ingesting pollutions, consuming adulterated food items, etc. This all makes your lungs get weaker day by day. Vitamin A in your body helps in rejuvenating the lungs, allowing you to breathe fully and properly. This is especially beneficial for those who are passive smokers and kids suffering from breath issues. The nutrients and minerals in this fruit help is relieving your from congestion in the lungs. Healthy ways to consume muskmelon. While people prefer eating muskmelon raw, right out from the refrigerator, there are some mouth-watering muskmelon recipes that can enhance your experience. In this section, we will tell you an easy muskmelon recipe, which it is not healthy, but you can also prepare it home as well. Muskmelon mint slush. Ingredients: first, muskmelon 2 cups cut into small pieces. Black salt 1/4 teaspoon. Method: create a smooth pour by blending muskmelon and mint with black salt into a blender or a liquidizer. Now combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Take a shallow container and pour the mix in it. Freeze for 3 to 4 hours. Again, take the blender and liquidize the mixture till it's turned slushy. Pour and slushy mixture into glasses. Garnish it with mint leaves and serve chilled. You like this video? Please subscribe the button. Thank you.